Yun, December 25. Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat. Si Asha, pagising niya nalulungkot kasi ine-expect niya yung regalo kay Santa. Ito kasi ang bagal eh. Hindi ka nabalot eh. Ibibigay na namin yung regalo ni Santa. Uy! Uy! No! No! What is that? No way! He opened the door! Asya siya may present.
Lala, did you see Santa?
Oh, he just left, huh?
Santa didn't even close our door.
Look, kita ko si Santa Claus, so bigay yan sa Santa Claus.
Yeah,
No,
see?
really?
Yeah.
Kita ko si Santa Claus.
Kita niya si Santa Claus. Oh my God!
This is for me.
Okay,
Santa
open it.
Claus.
We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so bright and close?
From the Guzman family.
Baby, let it snow.
You didn't even close our door.
I know,
Just
right?
left it open.
Yeah, he just wanna.
He's in a hurry.
away.
Oh my God.
Oh, Twister!
Yay!
Daddy, I want you to play this game with us.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna
You're gonna
play.
play this game with us. This is
Oh wait,
really
you
fun.
know
It's
this
really-
game?
Yes.
We can bring it to your cousins later.
Yes.
Right?
This is a 4-player game.
This is a good game, trust me. This
Oh my
is
God.
really
What else do you got? That's it?
That game.
Oh, there's one, there's one.
Yeah. Is that Ashes too? Oh, they got another one? No way.
I have a big one.
It's Santa's picture.
Santa.
How come this girl got 2 gifts? She's in the naughty list.
Yeah.
Wow,
What'd you
that's so
get?
mean.
Oh my God, it's heavy.
It's like, whoa.
Magnets. Magnets. This is like the hungry caterpillar magnets.
Okay.
Oh, so you can add some more with your
Yeah, I got two.
existing one, right?
This
Oh, si Kuya naman, meron din. Ang laki-laki natin doon, sa Santa-Santa pa.
I think that's in mine, right? Okay. I can't get it. Triglycerides!
Thank you, Mommy. Show everyone.
Yes! I also have one more.
Oh, look at this. Let's see what's this.
Okay.
Okay, just look, close your eye. And see, look.
Don't yell, don't yell.
Oh, yes! I do have some Panthers merch in the end.
Try.
I like this one. I like this
Oh,
one.
you like that
It's a
one?
perfect fit.
Oh,
I
nice.
have never.
Finally, you
I
got
have
one.
never seen this magnets before, but like yeah, I like this.
What do you guys say to Santa?
Thank you, Santa Claus.
We'll see you again next year.
You know what? At the back, it's all of the games.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. She's so sad this morning because she thought she don't
Wait a
have any
minute.
gift. Tayo naman ang dadayo. Kahapon sa bahay.
Kami naman ang makiki.
Dami naming
Kain.
yung mga tira-tira. Dito na yung mga bata eh. Anong oras na be? Alas 5.
5.
So kaya kita mo
Yan
medyo
ang 5
maliwanag
o'clock.
pa, oh. Uy, kumatok sa garahe. Tayin lang namin pagbuksan kami. So yun guys, kita nyo, medyo maliwanag pa rin. Oh. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kasi, December 21st, yung pinaka mahabang gabi. Basically, yun yung pinaka maiksing liwanag. From December 21st, winter solstice. Paliwanag na ng paliwanag. Mas maiksi na yung
Hello,
dilim.
Marvin. Dito kami sa labas.
Ano? Ayan, Lakers. I know. Wala na, hindi na nila mabubura ang ano. Ito San Francisco.
Ay, hindi gusto mong candy.
Ay, meron pa ako.
Okay.
Meron din ako holes. Be, holes. Gusto mo?
Ricola. Hindi, Ricola tong akin. Tinitigawat ka na naman, Lan.
Ha?
Tinitigawat ka.
Saan?
Ayun, sa mukha mo, meron ka.
Saan dyan? Nasaan yung tigyawat?
Ano ba yun?
Yan, tumatanda na.
Maghilamos ka ng ano, yung cloves, babad mo sa tubig, yun ang panghilamos mo. Subukan mo.
Yeah, you can see the black one.
600. Pwede ba?
Oo, pinamper nga ako.
Hindi ko natanong yung meron doon.
The post right here says 50. Right there.
Saan ba?
I understand it now.
56, 53. Ayun! Brooklyn! Yun. Magsha-shopping. Welcome to the outlet. Alas 10 ng umaga, nandito kami sa San Francisco Premium Outlet. Ayun. Aga kami, wala pang tao. Usually kasi dito pag ganito after ng holiday, puno. Last time nagpunta kami dito siguro mga alas 12 ng tanghali. Ay, hindi na kami tumuloy. Freeway pa lang, traffic na. Pero mamaya, dahil ng tao dyan. Bibili namin si Lala tsaka si Tata ng sapatos. Okay.
Ano naman yun?
Ito yung bibili natin guys. Mas ganda to sa pa. Kasi yung mas bago yung 27. Hindi parang katumangkad.
Tsaka hindi, pag ano pala dito, umaano sa harap.
May kamay ba? So na Christmas. Uwian na. Bumili lang ng sapatos si Mommy and Daddy. I-reveal na natin ang ating pabisikleta sa mga makukulit na bata. Sabi ni Aimee, lagyan daw natin ng ribbon eh. That's for you.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Who told you it's yours? No, it's mine.
Oh.
It's not for you. No, I'm just kidding. It's yours. Yeah, just do like that and kind of slide a little bit. Naturuan natin si Asha magbisikleta. Okay, see? Kind of glide. And then kind of let go of your feet just a little bit and then balance. It's okay. You're doing good. See? Good job. Okay, you have to steer the wheel. Steering wheel. Yeah. See, like that. See? See? Doing good. Okay, ayusin mo ha. Mapapahiya tayo sa mga subscribers. Yun, marunong pala eh. Sige.
Ako, diretso lang.
Isalpok mo isalpok mo sa kotse. Ano, ayaw mo na, bahala ka dyan. Uy, baka sumemplang ka.
Mataas eh.
Mataas lang. Hanggat walang kasasakyan. Naman pala marunong. Yung helmet mo, hindi ka nag-helmet. Good job! You're getting there. Yeah, kind of like that. You have to have patience.
Keep following.
That's okay. That's how it is. You're starting to learn how to do it. It's your first time, so... Okay, just walk. Just walk muna. Just walk. Hey, see?
I'm sorry, I'm just too excited.
That's okay.
One and glide.
How are we doing? Are you getting it?
I'm getting it.
Okay, try again. Let's go. Show me.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'll try the best I can.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, and glide.
Yes! You got it.
Am I ready yet?
You're almost ready. You know that glide? It took Daddy like 30 days to learn it. Look at Mommy, oh. Yabang, oh.
3, 2, 1, glide.
Have patience, okay? You learn it. It's your first day. Sinasabi ko na lang sa kanya na ako inabot ako ng 1 buwan bago ako natuto. Kasi kanina medyo napoprostrate na siya. Para hindi siya masiraan ng loob.
This is fun.
You tired?
No.
You can continue tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need energy. I need practice.
Say hi muna to everyone.
Hi. 2, 1, glide.
Yes! That's a good one.
How many seconds is that?
That's like 3 seconds.
1 glide.
Yan, galing ah. See? That's what I'm talking about. Good
How
job.
many seconds is that?
I don't know, maybe 5. Huling Costco ng taon.
January 3. Rip off.
Zero sugar Coke is okay for your diet.
Karne ng kambing kaso ang dami, 7 kilo. $80. Tayo ng tilapia. Ano?
Ito, maganda rin to.
Ng pinya. Pampabuenas. Tapos meron na kaming melon. Saging. Yun. Isang mangga.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
December 31. Happy New Year po sa lahat. Yan ang aking pamilya makukulit. Kamusta po kayo? Ayun. Happy New Year, Mami!
Happy New Year!
It's 9:15. Gihintay lang po kami ng ating gabi. Pero kakain na kami kasi nagugutom na yung mga bata. Ito po yung handa namin. Simple lang. Ito yung binili namin sa Costco na crabs. Gumawa si Aimee ng Prosperity Bowl. And every year gumagawa siya niyan. At gumawa uli kami ng cassava cake. Ito yung padwunsen ni Aimee. Napakasarap. Yung siomay. Ito yung paborito kasi ng bata eh. Kaya pinapapak na kasi nagugutom na eh. Paborito ng dalawa yan. Itong isda.
Swerte daw yung fish.
Swerte. Ano na mangyayari pag may fish?
Ewan.
Ayun, meron kaming nilagang baboy. Shoutout kay Auntie Joti tsaka kay Marvin. Ayan, inupakan na namin yung ani. Hopefully masaganang New Year 2026 sa ating lahat. Ano masasabi mo, Pe?
O yung fish pala, abundance and
Abundance.
prosperity.
Oo, ginugel pa niya. Kalimutan eh. Wala ba? Ready ka.
Basta swerte daw.
Ayan, basta swerte yun, guys. Ayan, maging healthy tayong lahat. Pagdasal natin tong 2026. Abundance, hindi lang financially, sa health, sa career, sa relationship. Ayan. So pagdasal natin, sana po tayong lahat. Ano ba? Ano masasabi mo?
Parang
Hindi
ang
naman ready.
happy new
Happiness, prosperity. Kasama kayo sa mga dasal namin. O, makamit natin yung mga bagay na gusto nating mangyari, mga pangarap natin, mapaano man yan. 2025, marami kaming dapat ipagpasalamat. Sa lahat ng mga blessings, di ko na isa-isahin.
And here's a hand my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet.
The last meal of 2025 is in Naga.
Nilag. Ang
And
pink.
the last dessert is ice cream.
For all lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet. For all lang syne.
Happy New Year, everyone! You got 2 minutes! 2 minutes! Woo! Happy New Year! How many more minutes? One more.
Hello.
2, everyone! 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Yan guys, Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Siguro, happy.
Fans.
So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang siguro yung vlog natin. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung vlog natin for today, please don't forget to hit the like button. And we'll see you next year. Next year.
Next year.
2026. Happy New Year guys! Bye!